I haven't started more composted down at the bottom. We'll see as we go into it, but generally the layers are more composted at the bottom than the top. Alright. Sorry, mind the nostrils. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wow. Dramatic, alright? With all the stuff that hasn't quite been composted yet. Now we are just going to cover the top of our compost with these hessian sacks. The worms love it, and it's also good at retaining some moisture, so it keeps our compost moist. And what you'll find is that after maybe 4 months, these sacks will be nearly completely eaten by the worms and stuff, so all composted. So yeah, I think it's just good to have a lid on top of your compost, even if you've already got a lid on top of your compost. But I think that's this batch of compost turned and ready to go to bed. So that's all. We're gonna tuck it in and leave it for another month to keep composting. And after